Guys, welcome back. Today we have a new project. We are going to be building a new workbench for the nature school. These tables are used pretty much every single day we have nature school, and they've got little vices on them, and these get broken pretty often because the kids will over tighten them, and they're just really not super durable. It's pretty wobbly, so kids are over here sawing on something and it's just moving around a lot. It makes it harder to work on your project. But anyways, these work great, but it's time for an upgrade. Nice thing is we've actually talked to our local hardware store, and they said that we could have all the scraps that we wanted. There's a ton of wood over there I just checked out, and so it's going to make this really affordable. So gotta say shout out to Ace Hardware for letting us use their wood. We got to rip down these 4x4s down to 32 inches. Good thing about these are 8 feet long, so we get 3 per each one. Got to get to cutting, and then after we start cutting those up, we're going to notch them out so that we can just put 2x4s right inside. Main thing I just want to make sure is that it's really sturdy and doesn't wobble a lot. Got a lot of this wood for free, actually. They said it was just, they didn't need it, and it was a little bit warped. So they said we could have it, which is pretty awesome. All right, let's get to cutting this. First, got to turn on the vacuum. Sucks up most of the sawdust. It's exactly 32 inches. Let's see. Oh, oh, oh. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Woohoo! Perfection. So how's this gonna look is you're gonna have we're gonna have one that's gonna be 7 feet long, and then one's gonna be 4 feet long. So it's just an idea. It's not exactly 7 feet, but then what we're gonna do is notch out here at the top, so this can sit in here flush right on the top, all these, and then somewhere right here, approximately about 12 inches off, then we're gonna do another one right here to give it some stability. All right, this is definitely the hardest part of the build. Beautiful. Oh yeah, nice. Okay. Nolan's been taking these out, enjoying that thoroughly. Sunglass me. Pretty good, dude. Nice work.
Thanks. You want a card?
Hit me. Ah! I think Nolan enjoys this too much. There's, for the big table that's 7 foot, we only need 4 of these. Okay, so the next table's 4 feet, so we'll need 2 inches off of that, so that's 46 inches. Okay. Should be 46. See? Boom. Okay, so we're doing a dry fit up right now. I'm all set up, see how everything was, and everything looks great. We're gonna countersink these so that we don't crack this wood. We're gonna glue, and then we're gonna put in some nice fat timber screws. They're about 3 inches long. And Mason's gonna be helping. He's gonna be doing some screwing, doing some drilling of this paper down so we don't get any glue on anything. So let's start this glue up. All right, Mason, glue it up. So why do you think we use glue as well as screws?
Because it makes it really strong.
Yeah, makes it super strong. Okay, do a little bit more on there. Just like this. Glob. And then. Okay, good. Oh. Straight up. Good. Sticks up a little bit, but that's okay. That's for nature school. It can't be perfect. Got them all bolted in and glued up. Now that's just gonna sit. Work hard, we'll do the other side. Just put it down, it's fine. Just put it down. You can hammer it in. Perfect. Perfect. Excellent. Done. First one's 7 feet long. There's the first half done. We're going to attach them two together. Just like that. You want to kind of squish it on like that. Okay? Okay. So you push it down and I pull the trigger. You enjoy it?
Yeah.
Table is all glued up. All we need now is a couple supports in here and in here and also on the bottom and then the top, and we'll be good to go. Looks awesome. It's getting so hot in this shop. So you need to screw on the top. Should be almost done. These pieces we're going to use for the shelving, a little bit too thick, so we got to plane them down. That's pretty much dead on. I'm happy with that. Guys, we're basically there. So you put the top on top of here. We're gonna sand everything completely, and then put on some nice sealer, and then this stuff should be ready to go.
These are our new nature school tables, nice and sturdy. The kids can destroy them, but hopefully they'll last for a good long time before they do that.
The table worked perfectly and the kids loved it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and stay wild.